Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a topic that affects many people: what is keeping you poor? Money is a crucial factor in our lives, and it's essential to understand the reasons behind our financial situation. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 factors that could be keeping you poor. Point 1. Bad spending habits. The first factor that could be keeping you poor is bad spending habits. Many of us tend to spend impulsively and without thinking about the consequences. It's essential to analyze your spending habits and create a budget to ensure you're not overspending. A budget will help you prioritize your expenses and save money for emergencies and future expenses. One of the biggest culprits of bad spending habits is credit cards. Many people tend to use credit cards to buy things they can't afford, which leads to a cycle of debt and high interest rates. If you're struggling with credit card debt, consider speaking with a financial advisor or consolidating your debts. Point 2. Lack of financial literacy. The second factor that could be keeping you poor is a lack of financial literacy. Many people don't understand the basics of personal finance, which can lead to poor financial decisions. It's essential to educate yourself about personal finance and money management. You can start by reading books, attending financial seminars, or consulting a financial advisor. Some of the topics you should learn about include budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. By improving your financial literacy, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about your money and avoid financial pitfalls. Point 3. Lack of income diversity. The third factor that could be keeping you poor is a lack of income diversity. Relying on a single source of income, such as a 9-to-5 job, can limit your earning potential and put you at risk if you lose your job. It's essential to explore alternative sources of income, such as starting a side hustle, investing in stocks or real estate, or freelancing. By diversifying your income streams, you'll have a more stable financial foundation and be better equipped to handle financial emergencies. Point 4. Procrastination. The fourth factor that could be keeping you poor is procrastination. Many people tend to put off making financial decisions, such as saving for retirement or paying off debt. Procrastination can lead to missed opportunities and costly mistakes. It's important to take action and make financial decisions as early as possible. By starting early, you'll have more time to save and invest, and you'll avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Remember, time is money, and procrastination can cost you dearly in the long run. Point 5. Poor time management. The fifth factor that could be keeping you poor is poor time management. Time is a valuable resource, and how you manage it can impact your financial situation. Many people waste time on unproductive activities or fail to prioritize tasks that could generate income or savings. It's essential to manage your time wisely and focus on activities that will help you achieve your financial goals. Consider creating a schedule or to-do list and prioritizing tasks that will have the most significant impact on your finances. Point 6. Fear of taking risks. The sixth factor that could be keeping you poor is a fear of taking risks. Many people are afraid to take risks with their money, such as investing in stocks or starting a business. However, taking calculated risks can be an essential part of building wealth. It's important to educate yourself about different investment options and assess the risks and potential rewards. By taking calculated risks, you can potentially earn higher returns and build wealth over time. Point 7. Car payments and expensive cars. Another factor that could be keeping you poor is car payments and expensive cars. Many people make the mistake of buying cars they can't afford and end up with high monthly car payments. Car payments can be a significant drain on your finances, and they can limit your ability to save or invest. Additionally, expensive cars can come with high maintenance costs and depreciate quickly in value. Consider buying a used car or a more affordable vehicle that fits within your budget. By avoiding expensive car payments, you'll have more money available to invest in your future and achieve your financial goals. So there you have it. 7 factors that could be keeping you poor. Bad spending habits, a lack of financial literacy, a lack of income diversity, procrastination, poor time management, expensive cars, and a fear of taking risks. By addressing these factors and making changes in your life, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.